Okay, so we are going to set up an RSS to HappyScribe integration through Zapier. And the first thing we do is we click on this button in the page you are now, and we go to Zapier. Cool. So once in Zapier, what is Zapier first? So Zapier is an app that allows you to connect multiple apps between themselves. And for some integrations, it works very well. For example, for RSS, it really works well. So what do I want to do for this example? I want to listen to a podcast feed, and I want to transcribe it automatically whenever there is a new item. So we click here, new item in feed. Then we go to select action, create transcription, and then we click on connect. And now we need to create an account in Zapier. If you don't have one, you can create it. You can do it with Google. In my case, I already have an account, and I'm just going to sign in. There we go. That's quite fast. And now we are in this page where we can configure our integration. And for the RSS one, the only thing we need is the link to the RSS feed. So I'm going to this podcast. I'm copying it, and yeah, I'm coming back here, pasting, and that's it. I click continue. I click test to test it works well, and well, it has retrieved something. Let's see if it corresponds to the last episode. It does. Perfect. So yeah, it's connected to the podcast RSS feed. We continue. And then we are in the HappyScribe part. And what I want to do is I want to create a transcription. It doesn't make sense to read subtitles for a podcast. So yeah, transcription. Then I need to log in into HappyScribe. But you can see I have like many accounts here because I tried this multiple times. But I'm gonna do it once again so that you can see how to do it. So yeah, this here opens this page that is prompting you for the API key from HappyScribe, and there's like a short instructions here and a link. So we just click to the link. And yeah, we are in the settings page in HappyScribe. We copy the API token and we paste it and continue. There we go. And we go back to the Zapier. And now, yeah, this account is like the last one I just added. You will only have one here, by the way. And now you can set up the action. So the only thing that's important here is to set the media URL. And yeah, that's the only tricky part of RSS. The name of the field. So we go to the search bar. So here we can search on the response from the RSS feed, the RSS content. So we type enclosure, and then we click on raw enclosure URL. This is the URL for the media. MP3, you see? That's the MP3. And that's it. We don't type anything else here. And now we can customize everything else. If it's not English, we can change the language. For me, in this case, it's English. You can select your workspace, so that's optional. You can also select a folder. In this case, I'm just for the sake of organization, I'm gonna just put here RSS integration. Yeah, it'll create the folder for me. And then on transcription name, you can just leave it like this, new transcription. Or if you want something else, you can select something from the response. And I think the title makes sense. And yeah, let's just do this. Let's just put the title. Cool. Automatic transcription, you can select professional if you're going to use our professional services. And then we continue. And yeah, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna try sending this transcription name with this link to us in English and in the folder RSS integration. Okay, let's test. And that's sending the transcription to HappyScribe, and it says it's done. Okay, let's see if it worked. So we go to HappyScribe, back here, my dashboard, because I didn't select another workspace. And yeah, here there's a folder RSS integration, and it seems it's working. Yeah, it's the correct thing. Perfect. So that's it. That's how you set up you test the integration. And now let's just go back and just do the last step, which is turning it on. And then when we turn it on, every time a new item in the feed comes, it'll go straight to HappyScribe. Good. Enjoy.